Okay, I'm going to show you how to properly plant a hosta and hopefully protect it from voles at the same time. The first thing when you get a hosta, you want to dig your hole about twice as wide as the container. Then loosen this. You don't have to go deep, about 3 inches or so, and incorporate some good organic matter. Hostas are not deep-rooted plants. Then right in the center of your prepared area, you want to dig out just like a cone shape like this, okay? Then we're going to take a product. This one, there's Soil Perfector, there's Mold Go, there's a whole bunch of products out there, and just dump it right in the hole like that and pack it up against the sides like this. We're going to get a little bit more there, get in there. Now what this does, gives you a protective barrier, because when the voles are in there, they don't have any place to push that. So we're going to make this cone like so. Then we'll remove this hosta from the pot just like this, spread the roots out a little bit, force it down in the center, and then we're going to come back again with a little more on the top of it like so to protect the pip. Okay, then bring your little light mulch on top of it. The hosta's done, and you got pretty good protection against voles.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.